Yeah. She's such a freaky girl. She puts me in the craziest moods, in the craziest moods. She's such a freaky girl. I wouldn't mind handling you, mind handling you. Freaky girl, freaky girl. I wouldn't mind handling you, mind handling you. Freaky girl, freaky girl. I wouldn't mind handling you, mind handling you. Tell me all your secrets and all of your regrets. I know you've been dealing with leeches and relax. You're so stressed out and tired. Baby, give me all of your love. You're so stressed out. Let me get your satisfaction. She's such a freaky girl. She puts me in the craziest moods, in the craziest moods. She's such a freaky girl. I wouldn't mind handling you, mind handling you. Freaky girl, freaky girl. I wouldn't mind handling you, mind handling you. Freaky girl, freaky girl. I wouldn't mind handling you, mind handling you. You're so emotionless, freaky girl. You show no emotion, and I love you, I can't deny. Give me love, and we fuck, can we fuck? Yeah. Give me love, can we fuck? Give me love, can we fuck? Yeah. She's such a freaky girl. She puts me in the craziest moods, in the craziest moods. She's such a freaky girl. I wouldn't mind handling you, mind handling you. Freaky girl, freaky girl. I wouldn't mind handling you, mind handling you. Freaky girl, freaky girl. I wouldn't mind handling you, mind handling you. Yeah, life is like a motherfucking dream. Fill my double cup up with some lean. Yeah, put my dick in your bitch clean. Yeah, rats coming in evergreen. Yeah, hold up, let me pop my shit. Pussy nigga talking, we gon' leave him in a ditch. I'll kill my brother, pussy nigga, if he snitch. I was outside being bad with the Grinch, nigga, bad with the Grinch. Yeah, trapping out the motherfucking bricks. Yeah, moving bills, nigga, yeah, moving bricks. Fucking on his dot, in that bitch a red bone. Yeah, put the bitch on. I put niggas on like some motherfucking cologne. Fuck nigga, yeah, I ain't seen a Post Malone. With the game, we keep a 5'7". And you know we keep some Mac 11s. I just love me some lethal weapons. Child of God, I'll send your ass to heaven. Life is like a motherfucking dream. Fill my double cup up with some lean. Yeah, put my dick in your bitch clean. Yeah, rats coming in evergreen.